In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI-generated logo using BrandMark Logo Maker. It's a super simple and fast way to design a logo for your brand, without needing any design skills. Let's get started. First, go to the BrandMark Logo Maker website. Once you're there, click on the button that says, Create My Logo. Now you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your brand name and slogan. The slogan is optional, so you can skip it if you want. For this example, I'll enter my brand name, Tool Tutor. Click the arrow button to move on to the next step. Here, you'll be asked to enter a few keywords that describe your brand. If you're not sure what to type, no worries. BrandMark provides some examples to help you. Since Tool Tutor is a tech tutorial YouTube channel, I'll enter keywords related to that. After entering your keywords, click the arrow again. Next up, choose your preferred color style. There are several options like simple, soft, pastel, organic, and dark. I'll go with the dark style for a bold look. Now, BrandMark will start generating logo ideas. It just takes a few seconds. And there you go. You'll see a wide variety of logos to choose from. You can browse through and pick the one you like best. If you want to save your logo, you can sign in using your Google account. But to download the high-quality version, you'll need to pay. Prices start at $25 for the basic package and $65 for the designer one-time version. But here's a cheeky tip, not recommended, but it works. You can simply take a screenshot of the logo you like and crop it. That way, you don't need to spend any money. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a professional-looking logo using BrandMark. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.